So let's just see an example related to the Heron's formula. The example number 1 says find the area of a triangle. Two sides of the width are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and the perimeter given to us is nothing but 32 meters. So let's just find out the area of this particular triangle. So let us suppose if I'm drawing this triangle over here as nothing but of this form. Let us suppose if I'm calling it as a, if I'm calling it as B and C. So let us suppose if I'm taking this side as 8 centimeter. So let us suppose if I'm taking it as 8 centimeter, if I'm taking this one as nothing but 11 centimeter. So we just have to find out the third side. So as we know, the perimeter is nothing but 32 centimeter. So we know that the perimeter of the triangle is nothing but is equal to sum of all the sides, which is equal to 32 centimeter as it is given to us. So sum of the all sides, it means that AB plus BC plus of CA is equal to 32. So let's just substitute all the values over here. So as we just wanted to find out AB, we know BC is nothing but 8. We have 11, which is equal to 32. Now it is nothing but AB plus of 19, which is equal to 32. It implies that AB is nothing but is equal to 32 minus of 19. So as you can see, this is nothing but is equal to 32 minus of 19. So we can able to calculate the value of AB as nothing but, this would be nothing but this is nothing but 13. As you can see, we have 9, 10 and 11, 12. So this would be 12 and this would be 3. So hence AB is nothing but 13 centimeters. So let us suppose if I'll write it over here that AB is coming out to be 13 centimeter, and we can also check by adding all the sides that whether the perimeter is coming out to be 32. So let us suppose if I'll add 13 plus 11, this would be nothing but 24, and 24 plus of 8 is definitely 32. So hence the perimeter, using the perimeter, we have calculated the third side as nothing but 13 centimeter. Now move on further, we can able to find out the area of this particular triangle using the Heron's formula. So let's just apply the Heron's formula over here. First of all, let us suppose if I'm taking this side as nothing but A. Always try to take this side as A because it is definitely opposite to the angle A. So let us suppose if I'm taking it as A, I'm taking it as B, I'm taking it as C, because the angle, let us suppose if this is the angle B, so opposite to this particular side is nothing but the side B. So let us suppose if I'm taking this as B, I'm taking this as A, and further I'm taking this as nothing but C. So this is my A, B and C. So hence at the end, I'm taking the value A as 8 centimeter, I am taking B as 11 centimeter and C as 13 centimeter. So let's just find out the semi-perimeter first. So as we know, the semi-perimeter S is nothing but A plus B plus C divided by 2. So let's just plug in all the values over here. A is 8, B is 11, C is 13 whole divided by 2. This would be nothing but S is equal to, this would be 19 plus of 13 divided by 2. And further S is nothing but is equal to 32 divided by 2, which is nothing but 2, and 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 6 is 12. So the semi-perimeter is nothing but coming out to be 16 centimeter. Moreover, you can also find the semi-perimeter by taking half of this perimeter. Instead of using S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 formula, we can also find out the semi-perimeter by taking the half of the perimeter. Because the perimeter is already given to us in the question as 32 centimeters. So we can take the half of it, because half of the perimeter is definitely called as to be a semi-perimeter. So perimeter was 32 centimeter, which is given to us in the question. So if we'll take the half of this, this would definitely be equal to 16. Hence the semi-perimeter that we have calculated using this formula is 16 centimeter. Now let's just move on further toward the Heron's formula. So according to the Heron's formula, the area of the triangle ABC is equal to square root of S minus A S minus B, S minus C. Now let's just plug in all the values over here of S, A, B, C. So S is nothing but 16. This is 16. This is 16 minus A is 8. 16 minus of 11, B is 11. 16 minus of 13, because C is 13. So let's just sort it out. This is a square root of 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 16 minus 11 is 5. For the 16 minus 13 is 3. Now let's just factorize all these elements over here. So if we have 16, we can write a 16 as nothing but a 4 into 4. Further we have this as nothing but 8. So we can write it as 4 into 2. Further we have into 5. Further we have into 3. Now this is 4 into 4. So we can take 4 common out of it. And further we have square root of 4 into 2. So let us suppose if I am writing it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So we can take 1 2 common out of it. So this would be nothing but 4 into 2, that is 8, square root of 2 into 5 into 3. So as you can see, this is nothing but 8 square root of 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30. This is 8 root 30. Hence at the end, area of the triangle ABC, which we have taken as ABC, is nothing but 8 root 30. And the units that are given to us is nothing but centimeter. So this would be nothing but centimeter square. And hence at the end, the area of the triangle using the Heron's formula for the example number 1 is nothing but is equal to 8 root 30 centimeter square. So this is nothing but the answer for this particular example using the Heron's formula.